Good morning, and let's take a look at the top 5 stocks to watch out for in today's trading session. Well, we begin with Mphasis that's in focus. The company yesterday in the evening has acquired Datalytyx, which is essentially a data ops specialist in Snowflake and Talend ecosystems. This is for a consideration of about £13.3 million. So we'll have to watch out for Mphasis in today's trading session. Meantime, keep an eye out on BEL. They had an analyst meet and a number of highlights that have come that's been very positive, because do remember BEL rallied quite smartly yesterday. So the annual investor meet said that the management is very confident of double-digit growth over the next decade. In fact, they believe that this is on the back of huge opportunities in defense as well as the non-defense sector, and a record high order book as well is going to provide quite a bit of support to this attainment. Over the next few years, they see multiple opportunities like LRSAM order pipeline growing over the next 3 years, the repeat orders for the Akash missiles in the next 1 year, huge requirement of weapons and sensors for India's borders owing to the rising tensions, as well as for drone opportunities, electro-optics, smart cities, and Highland security orders, all of that. They also see further inquiries for ventilators from the US market, since it did not own and design. The supplies were limited to 30,000 ventilators, and now the management is in talks for a license extension as well. And they're on a very strong footing for Make in India, where they see the potential to capitalize the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative of the defense sector, and diversifying into strategy in order to aid growth like smart city, homeland security, etc. Jefferies has a buy on BEL with a target at 130, saying that the impact of the lowered margins on the nominated projects began in FY20, and margins at 20% look sustainable. Meantime, Maruti in focus. CLSA has maintained a sell on the stock with a target price at 6,300 rupees, saying that there is uncertain medium-term outlook, and that the strong volume growth till December 2020 is possible, but thereafter they're very cautious. In fact, they believe that Maruti targets an 8 to 10% EBIT margin in the medium term, and that the pricing and infrastructure issues as well as delays for EV, all of that is likely to be a bit of an issue, but CNG is likely to gain momentum. Watch out for Gland Pharma today. That is going to make its debut on the bourses. Remember, overall the IPO was subscribed about 2.06 times. The issue price is at about 1,500 rupees. And then the injectables business, a CMO player, they have world-class capabilities, and they sell their products through a B2B model across 20 countries. They have a 20% sales CAGR over FY18 to 20. They have EBITDA margins of about 39%, a wide range of injectable technologies, and a portfolio that operates in very strong markets. So watch out for this debut. And finally, Shriram Transport, CLSA has an outperform with a target price at 1,050 per share, saying that the collection efficiency continues to remain upbeat, and the medium and large vehicle cycle is due for an uptrend.